In previous lectures, already we discussed about how to make a digital signatures. Today we have to discuss about the digital certificates, elements of digital certificates, certification authorities, public key infrastructures. When we can do the online business, online e-commerce, so that time you should be do the business. So that case is a need that there is a certificate authority is there. Same for that Shopback card. Those having the people need to do the business in tradition process. Shopback card is important. The same things we can do in a business. So that case in online you want to do the business. So that case or do the e-commerce concept. So that case certificate authority is very important. Before that you have to at least you can understand the what is the key management system. A key management system nothing but we have to already be discussed a symmetric key, asymmetric key, and digital signature. Symmetric key is nothing but you can use the as your one key is used for your encryption, same for the decryption. And the same case related in a digital when we can asymmetric key. So that case we need a public key and private key. Digital signature, private key and public key. So you can use that key concept. A key management system. A private key are the password protected. When we can see that it's a key. Key is nothing but just we provide some but one type the algorithms on the basis your data should be protected. Nobody can access data because they did the cryptography concept, that is encryption concept. If someone want to your private key, they need to file contain the key. They need to get passphrase for that key. Passphrase is nothing but is a key for to protect your data. So that case we can use as a passphrase. That is a passphrase. If you have to never written down your passphrase or told anyone, very hard to crack and brutally forced attack would not be work. So when we can use hacker people do that, that keys to be detected and to be check that. So that key is whenever somebody can use a passphrase, it is a valid or verified that. So that time it is a brutally forced attack is there. Digital certificates. Digital certificate is a data with a digital signature from the one trusted certificates authority. Same thing you can see that in a Maharashtra government or any state of government when make a GR. So government make a GR for that related education sectors, related school related, the related government offices. They make for that make a GR. So that way the that case what that people are government officer that people written something on that so people can do that. So what is the issue there? So that time they could not be written on a piece of page, and today we have to write all things on a one paper, and they make a that is authenticate sign is required. That is a digital signature. So on the basis that certificate is authenticated, so that rules regulation is applied for the entire state as like in Maharashtra. So on right side you can see that. So that GR there is having the digital signature is there. So those having the authentication, the this signature, then it verified on the basis of that signatures. And signature nothing but what data is there, it is it certificates. Who own these certificates? Who signed these certificates? And the expire date and username and email address. All detailed information provided for that and digital signatures. How visualizing your digital signatures? When we can design your digital signatures, so that case what are the information including, that is a public key and certificate holder unique name, issue the unique name, version of certificate format, certificate serial number, signatures algorithm identifies certificate issue for the signatures. Every time you can many time you can heard the words or just you can listen the word as your algorithms. Algorithm nothing but a set of instruction. So on the basis of instruction, you can visualize some expected result. That time algorithm is mostly used for that. Certificate issuer's name, certificate's authority, valid period, start expiration, dates, times, and extension. Certificate authority private key also for the your root certificate authority certificates and certificate authorities digital signatures. When you can say that many times you can say that some attested attested record for the your Xerox copy. So that time you should be what there is a stamp is there, just you can sign for that. Authorized person can be signed for that as your government class two officer, then college faculty member, principal. They having the authority, they give the signs. It is a tradition process, but in online process, if we want to see the certificates in online, so that case what is visualizing, they having the digital signatures required. So that time they mention irrelated what DT is issue for that, because digital signature and certificate. So that time authorized person can be given the information about that. So date time is there when the certificate issue is there, digital signature, what date is there, in which day is the expiry. All detailed information is provided for that. So on the basis we can predict that that certificate really is having a trustful. So you can do the business that case on the basis of certificates. Elements of digital certificates. Typically, digital IDs typically contain the following information: your public key, username, email address, expiration date of the public key, name of the CA who issued the your digital ID. You can see that in just you can open your browser, and then you can see that there is a certificates detail certificate part, and that they give for the detailed information of your in which date is valid for your sector. So before that you need to install them, and then you can see that details signatures algorithms, that is RSA, issues valid from valid to public key and thumbs. So these are the just you can see that the information is not in a proper format, is nothing but you have to write something, so automatically these all information make your content of information. Just I give the example for just I using some browser, so that time you get some idea about how the where it is check for that. So as example, just I open my one browser. Suppose in this case, just I open my browser. So where is this information? I show that where is that all information to be recorded. Just your browser, just you can open there. Just then you can open the sites. So in this case, one of the browser. So in this case, what we can see that they give the information about each and everything. So just we have to check that where is the information about your related, where is that the your digital signatures, all things we have to find out. I will show through the Internet Explorer, that is Chrome. When we can do anything related that where the digital signature is there, where we can authenticate, where the issue about that, all things are stored in a browser. Just it need that you can activate it your digital signature. With that we could not provide for this. In your browser there is the entire information of your that cookies and sessions, all things are you can see that. Suppose in this case they given for the your payment system, it is indirectly stored all the information whatever you see that related as Chrome, as your this of the browser. So that case, what we can see that where is the digital signatures means where we can give the authentication for that. So when we can do the any security provide for that. If you want to protect your data, so there is a you can see that HTTP secure socket layer. You can see that where is the your certificate authority is available. So in this case, go to the advanced concepts. The server authentication, email is there, encryption concept is there. Then is all things are inside your browser, and just you can need to activate for that. That is your private that is private key certificate authority request is there. So in this case, they will given for that what type the public key certificate authority is there. Just you can see that, and just you can open that. And this is the certificates already we discussed in this through the PDF files. So same case, how we can authenticate your data. That is your path and information is there. Where it is exactly location of that. Just you can open your Chrome. So in this case, showing that valid from when you need to make a digital signature. So that case you should be purchase for that. That is 1,000, 2,000, and then it's just it need to activate it. Then you can see that they provide for in which day for that your signature is authenticate, delete valid from and valid to. So these are the information provide for that. So that is a subject key, identification, authority key, certificate. What is the certificate policy is there? All detailed information provide for that. So in this case, we can authenticate about your certificates. So with help of that, then you can do the business on the basis of certificate authority. Without that, you could not be do the business. So in this case, that you can see that this is a key. So that is a word. So that word could not be identified exactly. The key is using for that, and what is the exact data. So when data is transferred from your computer system, so that time it is a your original data is there, and then it's converted in a encrypted. So these are the, and there is a many thing is there available inside the your only your browser. So just you find out the where is the location over that. They provide each and every certificates authority is there. So all detail is there. So with help of that is authenticated, and then you can use a digital signature. So many option is there through the browser. You can check for that. When we can click on that, they given all the information, what key is there, certain information is prove the identify the remote computer, ensure the software came from the software publication, allow data disk from the encrypted, protect your email message, allow the secure communication to the internet. When we can use for the your internet, so that time your data should not be secure. So how my data is secure? So that case I use a VeriSign and digital signature is there, certificate authority is there. On the basis your trusted people or trusted sites, you can see that. So through the browser we can find out where is the information about your certificate authority, digital signature. Uh, Certificate authority, a trusted agent who certificate public key, general use, corporation of the bank. User has to decide which CA can be trusted, that is certificate authority. Model key certification based on a friends called as the web trust. That is a important part is called as a web trust. When we can use purchase on Amazon, we can Snapdeal, Flipkart. So all sites are web trusted sites. That is a web certificate authority site there. on the basis you can purchase anything. Public key is a passing from friend to friend. Work well, small, high connected word. What if you receive the public key from the someone you don't know? Public infrastructures. PKE is a system that using the public key encryption, that is the digital certificates, to achieve the secure internet service. There is a four major for the your public key infrastructure. The first is a certificate or authority, then a directory service, the service and bank and web server, and your business user. When you can do the your business in online, and just you can use the e-commerce site, so that case is all things are essential. Without that, we could not do that. When we can bank is there, then money transaction is there. So that time the certificate authority and digital signature is important. When you can sending the mail, some person is there. So that time nobody can access that data. What you can return there. So in that case, you can use your encryption concept. And digital government UV.HK. So when related government structures, there is a many government is implement many set of rules, so people can follow the rules. So same like in COVID situation, already you know that government give the make a GR, and the basis of the rest of the district they make a circular for that. So that duration people are openly wonder there you can use the mask. The same thing is that they provide some instruction set. So authenticate person can be give the digital signature. Public infrastructures, legal status, electronic records, digital signatures, voluntary certification authority recognition schema, dealing with the CA certificate authority, digital certificates, e-commerce. So with help of that, you can use the web-based system. There is need a security, so that case we can use for that. Public key, you can use it. uh, how we can give the certificate authority. So in this case, a PK, certificate authority, who is given for that? So there is required this judicial people give the permission, so you can do the your business so without any fraud. So you can you could not be misbehave with the customer. So in that case, there is a certificate authority given by certificate authority. And directory service, that is a member directory, service bank, web server, public key and private key. When we given data can be encrypted and then decrypted there. And the users. What is the four key services? Authentication digital certificates to identify user who claim who she is ordered to access the resource. Non-prudentials digital signatures make the user become unable to deny that she has to send the message, sign document and participate for the transaction. Confidentiality encryption to make the transaction secure, no one else able to read retrieve ongoing transaction unless the communication is communicating the party. That is when we can do the confidential is important when we can do the business. So that time seller and the customer, so in between the part. So you are when we can some customer purchase related mobile, so that time money can be deducted is the customer to seller's account or maybe the third party's account, and that third party as Amazon, Snapdeal, so that time that product to be sent to the your customer without any there is a no means whatever the your product is not breakable when in the through the transportation. So that time care there's for transportation, they break your mobiles or some damage your product. So that time the customer can be returned for that third party, that is Amazon, Snapdeal. On the basis they make the record and return take the return back this that is your third party, and then after a new model can be sent. So that is the confidentiality between your seller and related your third party, and then you can give the assurity to the customer. So when we can do the transaction, integrity encryption ensure the information has not to be tempered during the transmission. So this is the way we can discuss about the certificate authority and what are the important part for your do the your e-commerce, and what are the four key services, that is authentication, then no provisions, confidentiality, and integrity. So these are the part. Rest of things we have to discuss later.